Lexington leaders outlined how the city is preparing for the coming storm at a news conference this afternoon.
Dejanna Wilson was there and has the latest on the plans now in place.
The purpose of the news conference was to stress the importance of preparation.
It's a huge storm moving across the country, and it will come here. This is not in question.
Officials said the city is preparing for its most severe winter weather event since 2015, and getting through it will require the help of everyone, starting with stocking up on groceries and household supplies to last at least 4 days after the storm.
This storm will undoubtedly disrupt our normal activities, our lives including events, municipal services, education, transportation, business, and commerce.
City leaders say crews have already begun pre-treating roads and expect to cover 1,400 miles across the county.
So realistically, if the snow is going to stop Monday morning, it's going to take us a couple days to effectively clear everything. So be patient and be careful.
To make clearing the roads easier, they're asking folks to avoid parking on the street in main roads. Several parking garages will be open for free.
Transit, courthouse, Helix garages, the gates will be up. You'll be able to park there for free from 8 a.m. Saturday morning through Tuesday morning at 8 a.m.
The Victorian Square Garage will also be free, starting at 6 a.m. Saturday. As for Saturday's UK men's basketball game, the tip-off has been moved up to 11 a.m. University officials say any additional updates will be shared on its social media accounts. In Lexington, Dejanna Wilson, Fox 56 News.
Officials remind the public to only call 911 in emergencies. For non-emergencies, call the police department's general number. City leaders say they plan to provide another update tomorrow afternoon as the start of the storm gets closer.